In today's video, we are going to draw Bluey painting her nails. Bluey is a lovable and energetic blue heeler puppy who lives with her mom, dad, and little sister Bingo. She uses her limitless energy and imagination to discover, laugh, and play with all of her friends and family. Let's color our drawing with the coolest colors. I love using all the colors and making the drawing very colorful. Our drawing is looking beautiful. How many colors? Wow! Amazing! If you also like Bluey, subscribe to the channel to watch the next video.